A lot more families are becoming aware of how powerful Roth IRAs and Roth conversions can be in their long-term retirement planning. But for those of you working, many of you may be making too much money to be adding money to your Roth IRAs. Today, I'm going to share with you a great strategy that could potentially allow you to get into the Roth game, even if you're above the income limits. Keep it right here. Good day, everybody. Chris Heerlein here, partner at REAP Financial and host of Retire Ready TV on KXAN and Wealth Radio on News Radio KLBJ. Thanks for tuning in today. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up down below. All right, here we go. For those of you higher earners out there that have maybe become aware of Roth IRAs, or maybe you are aware of the Roth IRA but thinking, I make too much money to get involved in one, let me share with you a great strategy that's still available right now. And the reason I say it's still available is it's one of the main provisions on the chopping block with this current administration. And if things pass the way they're written into next year or maybe the year after, this strategy may go away. However, right now, as the date of this video, it is still available and something for you to consider. So if you're currently working right now, and as a single filer, you're making over $144,000, if you're a married couple, and you make over $214,000, that's adjusted gross income, that's when the IRS says, no. You cannot put money directly in to a Roth IRA. But for many years, there's been an underutilized strategy called the backdoor Roth conversion. And the way that the backdoor Roth conversion works is, remember I said as a high earner, you can't put money directly in a Roth IRA. This strategy allows you to put money directly into your traditional IRA. Now, because you're making over those income limits I mentioned, you can add money to your IRA and you're not going to get a tax deduction. It's called a non-deductible IRA contribution. And then what you can do in the same year is convert the amount that you contributed to a Roth IRA via the backdoor strategy. I don't know why the IRS makes us do it this way, but it's something that's been around a long time, and as of the date of this video, is still available. Now, there's two things to consider. Number one, always consult with a CPA, because when you convert, there can be, not in all cases, but when you convert, in many cases, there can be a taxable event. Now, this strategy of the backdoor, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be a taxable conversion, but if you have a single dollar or hundreds or millions of dollars in IRAs already, there's something called a pro rata rule, and a partial amount, even the full amount, may be taxable. It's called the price of admission to get in the Roth. But the second thing I want you to consult with your CPA or accountant on is if the strategy is still available. And if it is, it's one that if you're not heavy into the Roth conversion game or don't even have a Roth IRA at all, this is a great strategy for you to consider for the long-term tax control and tax savings. Remember, why do we pay the price of admission to get money in a Roth IRA? Because the day that you get those dollars in a Roth IRA, under today's law, that money will forever grow tax-free. Imagine the IRA or the 401k that you have right now. Imagine if that money was growing tax-free. Right now, if it's a traditional IRA or 401k, it's growing tax-deferred. But you are gonna have to pay taxes when that money comes out someday. And as those accounts continue to grow, you're setting yourself up to inadvertently be taxed on a bigger number. Not to mention, as of the date of this video, tax rates are at 40-year lows. It could be a terrific time for you to consider the Roth IRA, potentially even the backdoor Roth conversion. If you want more information on this strategy and a lot more about how a Roth IRA can benefit you, get your hands on our Roth Decision Guide. If you want to get your hands on this report, email me, retire@reapfinancial.com. That's retire@reapfinancial.com. My team will have it on its way to your inbox. Hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll talk to you in future segments.